Hi everybody and welcome back to Invest Naturally for part 2 of unboxing the Singer Stylist sewing machine. So let's get started with the accessories.
So this is the power cord, here's the foot pedal. This sewing machine also came with a few accessories. Here. The accessories were in this compartment. In the sewing machine, I'll use it for items that I use the most. And here we have several other accessories. I know this right here is a little, well, that sucks. I dropped this and this popped off. I'm pretty sure I can put it back together. I just gotta figure out how it went. Where did it even go? Did it go up here? Is there another piece that broke off? Okay, so I'm gonna assume it goes like this. Already breaking stuff. Can you believe it? No, not how it goes. So, I know it went like this. So it has to go something like so. Haha! I fixed it. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna connect that back so I don't drop it back again. So I do know what this is for. This is a small screwdriver. In the manual under accessory, it comes with these needles. It says it comes with 4 bobbins. As of right now, I only count 3. I don't know where the other bobbin is. It says 1 in machine. Okay, so the other bobbin is already in here. Let's see. I can't get that out. So this, and here is the 4th bobbin. So I'll put it where the 4 bobbins are. And let's put this back. There's the 4 bobbins. The needles. The auxiliary spool is this. Then the spool hand felt comes with 2. So it's these 2 red ones. And the spool mini cap. So this is a spool mini cap. And then the spool pin cap small. And then the spool pin cap large. I don't know what those are used for, but I'm guessing they go on top of the sewing machine to do something. This is all a learning experience. You get to learn with me as we go along. Sewing is actually very easy. It just can be a little frightening. Sorry if you can hear my dog. He is chewing on his bone. And then we have this buttonhole opener and seam ripper, I guess. I do know this is a seam ripper. I don't know what it means by buttonhole opener. And then, of course, the brush to help clean out any lint or mess. Then we have a darning plate. And the darning plate looks like, I'm going to assume this. And then we have a zipper foot. I'm going to assume this is the zipper foot. So this is used to attach zippers, sew on zippers. And then we have the satin stitch foot. It is very plasticky compared to the other ones that are metal. And then we have the buttonhole foot. And let's demonstrate it. Pretend this is the button. So you'll just put your button in here, close it, and then it will make the perfect hole, apparently, to create a button. I don't know. It moves. So I don't know how that works. But this is supposed to help make buttonholes for your buttons to go in. Then we have the straight stitch foot. Which one is the straight stitch foot? I don't know. Look, all these feet kind of look the same. Okay, we have the blind stitch foot. That one I do anticipate on using quite a bit if I have to seam up anything. So this is supposed to help gather, I'm assuming. I did a little bit of research, but it's different than actually doing it yourself. Then we have the overcasting foot. Here, this is the darning and embroidery foot. This sewing machine particularly is not an embroidery machine, but if you can draw very nicely, then you can trace your pattern on the fabric, and if you're really good, you can do embroidery with this machine by hand. Then we have the gathering foot. Looks like this. Last but not least, we have the roll hem foot. Which one is that one? I think it's this one. Oh, and FYI, this is from gardening. So it says the foot that comes on your sewing machine is called the general purpose foot and will be used for the majority of your sewing. So I don't know if one of the feet was not correct. If I did that incorrectly, I'm not sure. I'm sorry. Again, I'm not great. I do know some of the feet, but not all of them. They pretty much all look the same, but I do know and understand that they all have their different purposes. The foot that comes on the machine, I will be using for the majority of my sewing, especially in the beginning. And then you don't have to use the foot to power this lovely machine. It does come with a start and stop button, so you can just press that if you like. If this sewing machine comes with the free arm, you remove that part for whenever you want to get into small spaces like so it's easier to sew. It does also come optional if you do a lot of quilting or larger stuff. It comes with a large extension table on here. This is the large extension table. It doesn't come with the machine, but you can purchase it separately.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the sewing machine, I do have a part 3 and 4 coming soon